Leute, wir stecken mit Michael vom Pool, genießen die Sonne und wie es weitergeht mit der Story, das sehen wir jetzt. Oder jetzt. Jetzt. Familienzusammenführung. Sehr, sehr traurige Musik. Jimmy!
Oh. Hey.
I'm sorry I spiked you, okay? I get so mad and I can't control things, and then, shit just falls on top of me. My life sucks right now, and I don't know what to do except I want to say I love you and hug it out, but all that wimpy shit is just, well, I'd say gay, but I have some friends who are gay, so that's not cool anymore, and the ones that I don't really like, it's not because they're gay, so lame, all right? You are just a lame and angry psycho sometimes. You do bad shit and things. I don't know if I love you, and I'm pretty sure I hate you a little bit, but I'm just so fucking upset that we can't even see each other. And you're just a drunk, lame dad.
You know what? That might just be the nicest thing anybody's ever said to me.
So will you buy me a car?
What?
Not in the "so will you buy me a car" kind of way, in a completely off-topic "can you buy me a car." I mean, firstly, I'm a fat shit that you ruined. And secondly, I will get a job, and I will stop smoking pot in that sort of way, okay?
I love you too, son. Now, go. Get a job, because I don't have the money to buy you a car. Besides which way, I'm probably gonna be dead in a couple weeks anyway.
Please don't die, okay? Yeah, it's great catching up with you too, Dad.
Yeah. Hey, how's your mother?
Oh, she's great. No, she's not. She's bored. I mean, all this mesmerizing tantric sex she's been having with a much younger, better built, caring and compassionate man is great and all, but what's she gonna do for the other 6 hours of the day?
What the fuck?
I'm just winding you up, you miserable bastard. She's mad at you. She's scared that you're gonna die, and she wants you to go over there and prove that you give a fuck.
All right. I can take a fucking hint. Let's go. We'll get Tracy on the way.
Tracy, on the other hand, she's a star. Sort of.
Mal ganz kurz. Warum warnt Michael, dass er in der Bar, wo er sowieso tot sein wird? Wegen Trevor? Wegen am FIB? Weil sich die Scheiße zuspitzt, wie sonst was?
Thanks.
It's anyone's guess.
Yeah, I get it.
You were out of the city?
Sure, you guys were gone, so I thought I'd,
Let's maybe not pretend it was anything to do with us. Those beast Hispanic dudes with automatic weapons and blacked out windows, they kind of made me think it was an involuntary exodus.
Yeah, okay. That'll work.
There they are, outside. Come on, let's say hi.
Let's walk up and be civil.
Okay, come on.
Bean Machine.
Berlin has been sluggish for weeks.
A little bit
Hi.
lifestyle. Excuse me, I'm trying to write a screenplay.
Shush,
here.
woman.
Hey, Amanda. Fabian.
Michael?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jimmy.
This is too a picture of holistic well-being, I don't think.
Hey.
Maybe they shit once a year between them.
Oh!
That's my son!
Amanda, come. I have a new unitard on hold. You must pay for it.
Hey,
Hey.
buddy. I'm gonna ask politely that you show my wife a little respect.
Red meat has been blocking your chi as well as your digestive tract.
Doch war einfach mal klar, die haben mir auf die Fresse gekriegt.
I'm gonna ask you one time, nicely.
Michael, just hit him, please.
Shush, woman!
Anything for you, sweetheart.
What are you doing?
Haha!
I had some
There's a lot more where that came from, Holmes.
Is he alive?
Yeah, he's fine. Listen, Amanda. I'm meaning to say to you, look,
What he's trying to say, Mom, is that he's a pathetic, old, drunken mess, and he needs you. And you could do a lot better than a prima donna yoga instructor with an anal fixation. Shut up!
Oh!
I guess
Jimmy kämpft ganz nach Mikey.
all I'm asking for is a shot.
neutral ground. Dr. Friedlander's office.
It's perfect. All of us. I'll pick up Tracy and bring her there. Meet you?
Oh mein Gott, Freeland, das wird da ja.
All right, you. Come on, get up, you idiot.
Yoga?
No, no yoga.
All right. You know where your sister is, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wait, but what about that sugar, caffeine, and emulsified pig fat flavored beverage I want?
Another time.
Oh,
Come on, I want one too. Later.
I think Tracy's over at the tattoo parlor.
Tattoo? Nennt sich Tattoo? Aber ich finde geil, dass sie die Familie langsam wieder zusammenfügt. Woo! Also irgendwie ein bisschen Schnellgänger jetzt hier mit Amanda.
Tracy's getting another tattoo.
No, oh God, no. That Laszlo guy's there.
Laszlo, that asshole. What's he want?
It's Tracy that wants something. She wants to get back on Fame or Shame after you and Uncle T cut her cameo short.
Oh
Well,
no.
maybe we ought to help her out with that.
Maybe we oughta.
Hey, let me ask you. Back there with your mom. That went okay, didn't it?
Anything that ends with Fabian's burst eardrum is more than okay with me.
Yeah, I mean with me and your mom.
I think it's an important first step in, like, the direction of okay, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Ja, ja. Schön, schön. Oh, mich freut das gerade mega. So, Laszlo.
Looking for something hip that, says I'm capable of violence, but I'm awesome in the sack. So listen, babe, if you want to make it in Vinewood, you gotta do whatever it takes. Even if whatever it takes is a depressed borderline alcoholic who hosts the third most popular talent show amongst the 40-year-old female demographic.
So, you'll let me on the show if I blow you?
Yes, and if you could wear some black lipstick, the little guy loves the goth vibe.
Oh,
Whoa!
Laszlo.
Dude, entirely out of context, bro.
Jim, you find the Inkling, sit on him. Laszlo
Out of
has
context?
medical advice.
No, please.
whoa, stay put, you lame ass Mark.
Sure, kid.
What?
Ja, Jimmy, hä? Was ist jetzt mit dem los?
Just not my job.
Wow.
okay? I'm already scarred down there.
Was ist das Geilste zum Piercen? Also, was eigentlich beschissen ist? Nicht das Ohr, der hat ja schon Ohrringe. Ich glaube, dass Augenbraue arschbeschissen ist.
Ow! Are you popping a fucking tent over here, you fucking psycho? Come on, just
Ja, die Nase machen wir auch.
you leave me a pound
Batz, da bleibt der Rotz immer hängen. Viel Spaß damit. Haha, ja okay, das Ohr auch nochmal. Putz, Junge.
Ow!
Ah, ich hätte es ihm auf die Nippel geknallt.
Here, let's get rid of this.
Yo!
My God! Papa Bear!
Papa Bear!
You gonna think about this?
Danny Nummer 2! Das ist Trevor.
Let's do.
Ja! Okay. Auf die Brust, let's go.
Don't fucking squirm.
Oh, ganz komisch. No way! Ich hab Quantico selber was zeichnen. Obwohl ich dann Schwanz drauf mache. Und jetzt ist es vorgehen, dass es ein Schwanz ist.
Order a mirror. I can
Oh yeah, I'll get you a mirror, smash you over the head with it. That's better.
Dieses Spiel ist so simpel.
Snip, snip.
Oh, this is a real one-stop shop. When I get nervous, I evacuate my bowels.
Was, Junge?
Out. Oh, no, that's my signature, my ponytail. Now I gotta get extensions.
No, what you gotta get is my daughter, whatever she wants.
Yeah, without sucking on your piddle stick.
Look, okay, guys, that was a joke. I'm a clown. I'm a sad, lonely little clown.
You're gonna put her on your show and you're gonna make sure she looks good.
Look, okay, I got a lot of juice in this town, but I mean, I'm not a miracle.
Just do it!
Yeah.
Right.
Alright, Trace, let's go. We gotta get to the therapist.
So, I'll blow you or something, okay? Bye.
For a family that needs therapy. My ponytail. How do I look? That's not good, is it?
Das ist dann schwarz tätowiert. Es schaut alles gut aus.
It's one of those skills you pick up in prison.
Ey, wird das so geil.
Taking your name on your celly's ass.
Du pulst so eine Scheiße ab und sagst dann, jo, pass auf, jetzt gehen wir zum Therapeuten.
No. Not quite.
Not to be difficult, but your therapist hasn't exactly been transformational to your mental health. So I don't know why he'd be better positioned to help 4 dysfunctionals.
Hey, this was your mother's idea.
Well, I guess it beats yoga.
Pop, now he beats yoga. Literally. Like Fabian, around the head with the laptop? Oh yeah, like pow! Our old man released the dude's inner tranquility all over the Bean Machine patio.
To be honest, and I know it's karmically bad, but yeah, I fucking hate that dude.
Yeah, I know, right? He's so up his own ass. You're a fucking contortionist. Whoopee. I contort my junk all day long and I don't act all superior about it. Just a little ashamed and empty inside.
Overshare.
Hey, guy was talking smack to your mother.
Well, I applaud you, Pop.
Here, here. You're like finally like using your powers of selfishness and rage for like good. Not an objective universal good, but like a subjective what's in our best interest kind of good.
Fuck yeah, awesome. Let's rob somebody. Ha.
Do
What?
it, Dad!
Yeah, do it.
Do it.
Enough, okay? I love that we're getting along, but knock it off.
Yeah, don't like actually rob a liquor store. That might like kill the mood.
Therapy. Let's do that shit.
Hey, how about you just let your mom and me talk, okay? We got some issues we gotta iron out. And seeing as you two aren't into it, you can just sit there and be quiet.
That's cool with me.
I got all the prescriptions I need, at least for the meantime.
Thank you.
Alter, geil. Das ist seit langem die lustigste Mission. Ah, ich glaube, man merkt, ich hab Spaß. Friedlander.
Kids, let's go inside. Okay.
Du schaust aus wie eine Businessfrau. Let's do this. Friedlander.
Amanda!
Hello.
Good to see you again. Michael, I'm so glad. Isn't this great?
Fantastic.
Michael, be positive.
I am being positive. This is me being positive.
Give it up, Michael. The sarcasm. It's one of the reasons I moved out. It's beneath you.
No, it's not, Amanda. Trust me. Nothing's beneath me.
No, normally there's a whore beneath you.
You know, for someone who spends every waking moment working on themselves inside and out, I gotta tell you, the progress has been really fucking slow.
How would you know what progress is like, you stupid murdering shit?
Gee, because all you do is whine at me.
Oh, all I do is whine. Michael, could you please stop murdering people? Michael, could you please stop endangering me and the both of your children? You kill people and then you sit in the sun and drink and feel guilty about it. That is not work.
I don't see you complaining on the way to the fucking bank.
True, true.
I mean, let's face it, Amanda. We're trailer trash, you and me. We were taught to do this.
Get a center, Michael. You have no center.
How about you suck my cock? Huh? No, wait. We'll both get a center before that ever happens.
You are such a fucking animal, a deranged animal.
You're fucking right on deranged. How could I not be?
I should have had you locked up years ago, you stupid
Do it.
shit.
Do it. I'll put you in the fucking ground with the rest of them.
And that's really all the time we
What?
Oh,
Great.
Das ist jetzt nicht so direkt so gelaufen wie ich
I
gewohnt
think we
hab.
made
Haha.
some real progress there. Oh, Michael, I hope this goes without saying, but family work is a little more expensive.
Es war so klar.
Squared.
Of course.
Take care now.
Digga.
So you gonna come home with me or what?
guess we'll give it a try.
Mai, Alter.
Kids!
Wie sie sich ummotzen, aber doch nur mengen. Okay, dann fahren wir jetzt mal zurück.
You know, there was a moment there. I thought,
What?
I don't know, like maybe we still had a ways to go. You know, like maybe we need more time.
Time for what?
Time to move beyond screaming at each other.
That was cathartic.
catharsis all over my face.
Ooh, I got a warm, fuzzy feeling.
Probably just the meds you rated.
Okay. Cathartic. All right. I just don't want it to be more of the same.
Now you're the one making the demands?
No, not demands. I'm saying you're right. Something was broke, and we gotta work at fixing it.
We do. All of us.
Yes, Mom.
For real, peeps.
Because I started to understand something in there. No one else gets this family. Not Dr. Friedlander, or my yoga teacher, or our tennis coach, or the juice guy, or the dog walker,
Oh.
Hey.
or Jimmy's 3rd grade teacher.
Oh.
Or Dad's proctologist.
Or the guy that thinks he's Jesus on Vespucci Beach.
The big bum who thinks
Den
the
kennen
world's
wir.
ending.
We're stuck with each other. I mean, how do you explain faking our deaths, changing our names, all the lying to the FIB? That monster, Trevor?
There's no explaining Uncle T.
Hey, is he coming to the next therapy session?
What? No. Jeez.
Just one thing, Michael. Don't get us killed. And don't get killed. Can you do that?
I'll give it my best shot. With every fiber of my being, I will do whatever it takes to make sure it doesn't happen. Promise.
And no more hookers. Or other women.
Yeah, Dad. Gross.
You're better than that, Pop.
Guys, I'm not really comfortable having this conversation.
Just keep it in your pants. Okay?
Braucht Seagraut reden.
Meaning how you treat women.
Hä?
Here we are. Home sweet home. Remember this place?
Wie Amanda da so redet, aber selber auch nicht besser ist. Was sie doch gerade aufgezeigt hat. Holy shit.
Kids, rooms. If you find dead bodies, cheap women, or Trevor Phillips, we're checking into the Rockford Hills Hotel.
So geil. Leichen, Flittchen oder Trevor Phillips. Ja, warum ist denn mit Trevor? Alter, was macht er denn immer? Ja klar, tote Menschen. Na klar, mehrere. Hä? Was soll denn das jetzt? Warum hat er schon wieder nichts? Oh, hat er wieder gefeiert oder was? Es ist der Lost MC. Ja, tatsächlich.
Talent show host Laszlo spoke yesterday about the events that caused him to change his appearance.
I wouldn't do this to myself. There are dark forces out there, okay? Cults, I mean, Vinewood isn't all it's cracked up to be. Seriously. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta go to therapy.
Wir haben ihn in die Therapie getrieben. Und ein letztes Mal kämen wir zu Mary Ann.
I don't care what you say. Shut your mouth. Shut it. Shut. Just keep it shut. You know full well.
Dämonenaustreibung. Trevor.
It's no good. Well, you can be surrounded by your young girls and your threesomes and your parties, and you will be miserable. You could have had it all with me. A beige condo, matching woolen sweaters, walks on the beach, a little dog we lavish too much attention on because I'm too scared of getting fat to get pregnant. Everything. Well, fuck you. And I don't care that we just met last week. All right? Just stop looking at me. Don't look at me. Say something. Oh, I wish you were dead. I really do.
Oh, I love you. Oh, let me take you away from all of this.
You fucking psycho! He was gonna impregnate my ex by a surrogate!
Me the psycho? No, you are the funniest fucking chick I've ever met. I love you.
You're thin, you're irrationally angry.
Digga, damit haben wir nicht gerechnet.
You are completely have no control of your emotions. We have no
Vor allem, wie geil er mit seiner Unterhosen nur da ist.
on the bike, now!
Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh, baby, wait.
Damit haben wir nicht gerechnet, dass Trevor die so geil findet. Was ist denn das für eine geile Folge? What the fuck?
You are just perfect, crazy cakes.
Stimmt aber, hey. Ich habe die ganze Zeit gesagt, die hat Ultra-Probleme und ist crazy. Ist ja klar. Also, ich habe voll vergessen, dass die ja mega zu Trevor dann damit passt. Woppa!
I defended your honor. I took out the alpha male. Evolution demands that we rut like beasts.
Oh God! Bury the misogynistic law of the jungle bullshit! You're so gonna crash!
Ich hab schon ein bisschen Schiss, dass ich auf die Fresse vorher nehmen wir wieder Verfolgungsjagd. Aber die ist schwach, aber die holt immer ganz schön krass auf. Die konnte nicht so abziehen, wie ich eigentlich so vorgehabt habe, aber schauen wir mal.
Okay, well, jack me off into a cup, slap me around. We got options, baby.
You need help.
Oh mein Gott.
Dude, it's a recipe for disaster. That's why it's so perfect.
Okay, dann wir schaffen es doch. Juhu! Nice!
Woo! I win. Come on.
Come on, what?
Extra reward. That's how this works.
So ein
You're
Idiot.
deluded. Spread your genome in a gym sock.
Oh, fuck, I love you. Hold me.
Marianne, neuer Kontakt. Geil. Was war das für Erfolge, Alter? Also echt, das war mit Abstand die lustigste halt. Das war's mit der lustigsten Folge, die wir jemals gehabt haben. Wow! Die nächste Folge findet ihr in der Endcard, sobald sie online ist. Bewertung nicht vergessen und bis zum nächsten Mal.